Aloha to you, and thank you for joining me, the Traveling Bee. Today we are sealed with aloha. Today we have everything from birds in the sky, fish in the tide pools, and surf on the beach with the seal. Soaring on the gentle breeze above us are the liaison albatross. 99% of the liaison albatross live here in the Hawaiian Islands. The albatross bird is a monogamous bird and stays with the same partner throughout life. They need to have cliffs in order to take off, and they have a wingspan up to 6 feet. The albatross and other seabirds are known to frequent the more northwestern Hawaiian islands beyond Ni'ihau and Kaua'i, where there is the marine life sanctuary. It's called Papahanaumokunui'akea. And it's our local Ilio Au'aukai, or the Ilio Holokai, our resident monk seal, resting where else? But down at KEONELOA Bay. Since the monk seal is federally protected, it is normally roped off or some kind of boundary set by the seal hotline that comes down to make sure the seals are not harassed and are able to rest on the beach. And on the island of Oahu, making Kaimana Beach its new home, is Rocky, who gave birth to a brand new spankin' baby Hawaiian monk seal last week. And we couldn't be more happy to see this little seal making headlines on the island of Oahu. So we appreciate and we honor our Ilio Holokai, our Ilio Au'aukai, our Hawaiian monk seals. And here we have the beautiful ulili, or Hawaiian sandpiper, which is known to sing sweetly at the beach in the calm seas. This one here seems to be looking for a snack or two in the tide pools that are rich with fish and other sea creatures. Oh, he's getting the small fish in there. Yeah. And the tide pools are known to be filled with pua. Pua means flower in Hawaiian, but it also means the fry or the small baby fish. And we can certainly see a lot of them here in abundance. YouTube and puppies. blue one with the faint blue stripe. Oh. We were worried about you. goes. You see a little snout up there? Probably swim down to where the turtles are. Looks like the current's pushing this way. I mean, obviously, right? The ripples of the water. He's going down to eat with the turtles. Oh, look at him. There he goes. He's in the water. Oh, there she is. Scratching her belly, probably. Oh! This is the Travelin' Bee saying mahalo nui loa. Thank you very much for joining me on this excellent adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for all notifications. Hit the thumbs up for a like and share the aloha with friends or family. If you have a question or a comment, leave it in the section below. Mahalo, and until we meet again, a hui ho and aloha.